good morning guys. So this is the day 5 of our trip here in Japan and we're now off to Mount Fuji, a full day tour in Mount Fuji. Currently dito kami ngayon sa meeting place for our pickup here sa tour na to. So actually we're here just near the Tokyo Station, then I think under the Beams building. So yeah, I'll see you guys on this tour, and yeah. Hindi siya nagtago sa atin. So, ayan. So, hi! So, this is our second stop now here at the Mount Fuji tour. Ayan. Some ice cream. Pili tayo ng ice cream here. Ito lang yun malapit sa park. Let's buy some ice cream. This is andito na tayo sa Oshinohakai. Actually, ayan, sa likod lang natin yung Mount Fuji. Ayan. And we're just walking kasi this one is parang dito na din kami nag-lunch. Pero dahil busog pa from breakfast, we had some street food lang. So, ito yung pond nila din dito guys. You can also take a picture here. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, ha? Wait. We also have kainan here guys. Guys, this one is yung food street food nila. Like squid and rice. They have grilled squid. Doon kami nakakain. The hotdog kasi hot. Guys, mag-try tayo nitong mochi. Matcha mochi nila. Natakam ako kasi grilled siya. Red bean yung sa loob. It's nice because it's hot. This is nice. Guys, grabe. 15 walk upstairs. The stairs. Kinaya guys. So, andito na ako sa Arakuyama. And andito ang Mount Fuji sa likod. Kinaya siya after a very motivating climbing upstairs. So guys, let's take a picture of this one. Yan. reservation deck ng Arakuyama Senjin Bar. So, yan. So, dami tao. Yay! So, sobrang daming tao, guys. If you're gonna go here and, yeah. We're done here and let's go! Guys, so ito yung lalakarin nyo paakyat nung temple. Or yung of your birth hotel. So, ngayon is pababa na ako. Pababa na ako, guys. Going to park again. Yan ang lalakaran nyo paakyat. So, bababa. Mabilis lang, but paakyat. Hirap. Guys, yung inakyat natin kanina is ayun. Yan tayo umakyat kaya.
Sa Tokyo. Ano?
Hi guys, so we're now eating again another halal ramen. I'm gonna recommend to you to every Muslim here in Shibuya. So let's have a inside.
If you are done, push the button. Wait, if you're done, yes,
I will add the
okay. Yoda Halima.
and then this one,
Yes,
right?
yes. Tama, plus. Okay, please receive the achievement number 3, please.
Okay.
So guys, meron silang kagaya ng bag here. Tapos nandito yung spoon and chopsticks nila. And over here, may condiments sila. And ganito lang kalit guys yung dine-in nila sa loob. Ayan. This is upstairs. Medyo makskip lang yung daanan upstairs. Pero okay na guys. Ayan. So guys, this is our ramen dinner for today. This is the beef yakiniku ramen and these are the A5 Wagyu ramen. Let's eat the gyoza. Hi guys! We're now here Shibuya crossing again. Yan! Now we're crossing again here in Shibuya after 1 year. Come on, let's go! Hi.